In years that we have low CI, then the following year you have lower pregnancy rates. And that's as good as it gets in, like, getting to know the environment and getting to know the effects of all these conservation threats on the animals.
Liquid gold.
Is that what I think it is?
It is exactly what you think it is, and it smells exactly like you think it would.
It's whale poo.
Whale poo, yeah.